Let's take a quick look at what's new in WP Rollback version 1.1. Now this is the Pro version we're using here, and you'll see at the top the new navigation. So we have the dashboard screen, which we're looking at now. Gives you a good overview of what's happening with the rollback logs here for plugins and themes. Nothing's really changed here, but now we have a new plugin screen or a plugins navigation item where we can quickly view all the active plugins, what the version they're on, and then roll back from here. Same with themes, and a brand new screen called Archives. And what this screen will give you a view into is it'll allow you to view and manage the versions of your premium plugins and themes. And so you can see here we have Gravity Forms archived 2.9.16 and then archived by myself here as the admin and when that date was created. So let's take a look at how this actually works. So when I go to plugins here, we'll see that Gravity Forms has an update available, version 2.9.18. When I click update now, we're currently on 2.9.17.1 point release. And when this is updating, what's happening is WP Rollback is storing that 2.9.17. And we'll see that when we go back to Tools, WP Rollback, and then we click on the Archives view here. Boom, there it is, 2.9.17. That means if something happens with this latest version, 2.9.18, I believe it was, then we'll be able to quickly roll back to this version as well. We can archive and trash it, and we can download them from here. Another new screen is the settings screen here. And this will allow me to adjust the number of archives per plugin that I want to keep stored. So for instance, the default is 25. That might be a bit excessive. Typically a rollback will happen when you notice an issue with the latest version, but it never hurts as long as you have enough storage to store up to 25. You can store up to 100 if you'd like. And if for any reason you want to clear them all out, save some space, you can clear it out, confirm, and boom, all your archives will be deleted. That includes plugins and themes. So let's take one more look at this. When we see Gravity Forms 2.9.17 here, when I click rollback here, you'll see I'm on version 2.9.18. If I roll back here to 2.9.17, it's going to store this current version 2.9.18, and we'll see that as well when I go through this rollback and go back to the archive screen. One little update as well, we enable maintenance mode for active plugins and themes only. That'll put a .maintenance file. That looks a bit nicer than the default WordPress one in a root directory, and then just remove it real quick after the rollback is done. So we'll click continue here, click on archives, and there you can see that latest version. So that's just a little bit about how we're improving WP Rollback with each incremental version, and I hope you like it. Thanks.